Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best travel backpacks of 2025. If you love traveling, need a reliable backpack for flights, or want a stylish bag for daily use, this video is for you. I've handpicked these backpacks based on durability, style, storage, and functionality. We'll go through each one, check out its key features, pros and cons, and I'll even share some tips on how to pick the perfect backpack for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Vacuum Backpack Travel 60L. Gray. Expandable 60L capacity with vacuum seal compression. Includes a pump for compact packing. TSA approved waterproof Oxford material. 17-inch laptop compartment, ideal for business trips, flights, and long travels. This backpack is a game changer for long trips. The 60L expandable capacity is massive, perfect if you pack clothes for a week or even longer. What makes it stand out is the vacuum compression system. You literally compress your items to save space. It's like magic. It also feels very durable and premium thanks to the waterproof Oxford material. So even if it rains during your travels, your belongings stay protected. The TSA compliance makes airport security smooth, especially if you travel frequently. Best for trips where packing efficiently is key. Great for both men and women due to the neutral design. Consider packing lighter items first to maximize compression. Pros: huge 60L expandable capacity. Space-saving vacuum compression, durable and waterproof, TSA-friendly. Cons: slightly heavy when fully packed. Pump can be tricky for first-time users. Number 2. Vacuum Seal Travel Backpack, VACPAC. Expandable backpack with vacuum compression system, water-resistant material, 17.3-inch laptop compartment, USB charging port included. Comes with vacuum pump. This one is like a tech-savvy version of the first backpack. It offers vacuum compression just like the 60L, but adds a USB charging port, which is perfect for frequent travelers or digital nomads. It's slightly smaller than the 60L, but still offers ample space for a week's worth of clothing. I really like how the compartments are organized for tech gear, laptops, and small accessories. Keep your cables organized to avoid tangling while using the USB port. Ideal for those who need to charge devices on the go. Pros: vacuum compression saves space, USB charging port for convenience, sleek design and compact for carry-on, water-resistant. Cons: vacuum pump can be noisy, but not fully waterproof. Number 3. NOMATIC 20L Backpack. 20L capacity, compact design, water-resistant laptop backpack, can be used as carry-on or business bag. Durable, modern design for everyday use. The NOMATIC 20L is perfect if you don't need massive storage, but want organization and style. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for city travel, commuting, or short trips. The backpack has multiple compartments for your laptop, cables, travel documents, and small essentials. It's also water-resistant, so your electronics stay safe. I love this for short trips, weekend getaways, or daily work commutes. Ideal for travelers who prioritize style and portability over size. Works well for both men and women. Pros: compact and versatile. High-quality water-resistant materials, great for carry-on travel, sleek, modern design. Cons: smaller capacity and slightly premium price. Number 4. NOMATIC 30L Travel Bag. Convertible duffel backpack design, 30L capacity, TSA compliant, everyday use for laptop and travel, carry-on friendly. The NOMATIC 30L is all about flexibility. You can carry it as a backpack or a duffel, making it perfect for weekend trips or daily commuting. The 30L size is ideal, not too big, not too small. It has well-organized compartments for laptops, documents, and clothing. Being TSA compliant makes airport travel smoother, and the build quality is sturdy and long-lasting. Use the convertible design to suit different travel scenarios. Perfect for travelers who prioritize style plus utility. Pros: convertible design, duffel plus backpack, TSA compliant, durable and versatile. Ideal for weekend trips. Cons: slightly heavier than standard backpacks, limited expansion. Number 5. Troubadour Neo Backpack, 22L. 22L capacity, lightweight, ergonomic design, water-resistant material, stylish and versatile for work and travel. The Neo Backpack is for those who value style and minimalism. It's lightweight and very comfortable to wear all day, perfect for city travel, work, or short trips. Its water-resistant build protects your essentials from light rain, and the compact size makes it easy to carry in crowded spaces. If you travel lightly or commute daily, this is an excellent choice. Great as a daily work backpack or for short city trips. Keep essentials organized to maximize the 22L space. Pros: lightweight and ergonomic, stylish, water-resistant, comfortable for long wear. Cons: smaller capacity, not ideal for long trips. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome reviews. Got any questions or experiences with this product? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.